Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern McLennan County and central Texas, northeastern Bell County and central Texas, southwestern Limestone County and central Texas, Falls County and central Texas, until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:31 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Lot, or 11 miles southwest of Marlin, moving south at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Temple, Hewitt, Robinson, Marlin, Morgan's Point Resort, Lorena, Troy, Brewsville Eddy, Rosebud, Moody, Riesel, Lot, Galinda, Thornton, and Coss. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 299 and 327. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning can kill. Heavy rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.